दोस्तों एल क्लासिको इज़ द बिगेस्ट मैच इन द वर्ल्ड. इट हैज़ बीन द बिगेस्ट मैच इन द वर्ल्ड फॉर द पास्ट 15 ईयर्स. और ये फिक्चर कैरी किया दो जन ने, मेसी फॉर बार्सिलोना एंड क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो फॉर रियल मैड्रिड. Every time we used to look forward to this match, whether you're a United fan, you're a Chelsea fan, you're a City fan, no matter which club you support, you always wanted to see this fixture because of these two. और obviously last 4-5 साल से both of them have left the club. तो पहला 1-2 साल तो ठंडा हो गया था, right? No one was really looking forward to. Last 2 years से it has been a one-way street where Barcelona has absolutely destroyed Real Madrid in all competitions. कोई भी एल क्लासिको है, Barcelona have looked the better team and they have had a better record than Real Madrid easily. But now there is something to look forward to Real Madrid and Barcelona because the Rodri transfer has broken the Real Madrid का full saga. इन द स्टार्ट ही वॉज बाउंड टू गो टू रियल मैड्रिड. पूरे वर्ल्ड कप के स्टार्ट में, वर्ल्ड कप के बीच में, वर्ल्ड कप खत्म होने के बाद भी उसका भाई ये बोल रहा है, ये हो रहा है. मैड्रिड फैंस आर गेटिंग एक्साइटेड, दे गेटिंग अ बैलन डॉर विनर, दे गेटिंग अ ट्रेबल विनर, दे गेटिंग द बेस्ट प्लेयर इन द फीफा वर्ल्ड कप, राइट? देन सडनली वन डे वो उठता है, बॉस आई एम गोइंग टू बार्सिलोना. Out of all the clubs that he chooses, he says, I'm going to Barcelona. Obviously, he's
And
made a mockery of Barcelona, of Real Madrid at that point of time. And this was a very well calculated move in some sense. And when he comes onto the pitch for the first time in El Clasico, there is blood on his hands in terms of Real Madrid ke dimag mein when they see Rodri. It is going to be a bad reception. And obviously, all the fans are going to want the worst for Rodri at the moment.
और ये एक है ना, मैं सारे मैड्रिड फैंस को बोलना चाहूंगा और ये सारे बार्सिलोना फैंस को एक वार्निंग देना चाहूंगा. जितना भी ये नैरेटिव पुश हो रहा है ना अब कि दैट आफ्टर साइनिंग कैंसेलो, अडीएमी, गॉर्डन, रॉड्री एंड माइट just sign Alvarez and this is over for Real Madrid. I just want to say that why there is a moment and there is a environment of being scared. आने दो ना, मैं तो कह रहा हूँ आने दो. Let's bring it on. If you are saying, people are saying that how Barcelona has established a team, but we are not looking at कि what Madrid has changed. बॉस, जो हमारे यहाँ पे दिक्कत होती थी पूरा पिछले सालों में, Valverde was playing here and there, now he'll have a position. We have Jude Bellingham, who was the best player for England. Best player for England, being the midfielder in the World Cup. He was in the Golden Boot runner. ठीक है. उसके बाद आता है बर्नार्डो सिल्वा, चुआमनी, कामाविंगा, दोनों थर्ड ग्रेड when it comes to carrying the ball to the final third of the game. Now we have Bernardo Silva who will do dirty work for Jose Mourinho. And now we have Jose Mourinho, Hansi Flick का बाप, सारे managers का बाप in Real Madrid with the money, with the players. You think he doesn't know? He has managed Madrid. Rodri has made it evident कि आने तो वो ये जो rivalry है ना, this has come from the Ballon d'Or. जहां पे विनिशियस जूनियर ने वो बैलन डॉर नहीं जीता और पूरा वो यू नो द बैनर एंड एवरीथिंग के बैनर आया, ये आया, वो आया, ठीक है. और उसके बाद पूरी स्टोरी आती है कि यार उसके बाद चेंज होएगा. यू फाइंड पीपल से सर्जियो बुस्केट्स, यू से दैट वी हैव फाइंड द मसिया फॉर बार्सिलोना व्हेन इट कम्स टू मिडफील्डर. आने दो, फ्यूल टू द फायर. And I feel this was needed, and this is a story, and this is a comeback.
This is an extra motivation for each and every Real Madrid player, extra motivation for each and every Real Madrid fan, extra motivation for Jose Mourinho, extra motivation for Perez to maybe sign one extra midfielder that they probably need if they want by selling Camavinga. So this is sort of a win-win situation in all sides. As a neutral, as Real Madrid as well, भाई proof करो ना, इतना है तो प्रूफ करो.
And you know, hot take on this, Rodri will fail at Barcelona.
Ooh, damn.
You look at this, Rodri will fail at Barcelona, even though he did good in Spain, good with Spain, won the World Cup. Watch him get fail at Barcelona.